Hello students. Today we are going to discuss about the difference between management and administration. Generally the terms management and administration are used interchangeably, but there is a difference between the two in a strict sense. Administration is a thinking and decision making function. What is administration? It is thinking and decision making. The top level authority, top level management, we can say, those who are taking decisions, those who are making policies for the organization, they comes in administration, whereas management is largely a doing and executing function. Whatever the decision is taken by administration, whatever the policies has been made by administration, management responsibility is to do that and is to executing all the policies, executing all the functions of the organization. Administration sets the objective, whereas management attempts to achieve. Administration prepare a goal, set the goal, and now it is the responsibility of the management to achieve the predetermined goal. It lays down the policies under which management operate. So what is administration? They are making the policies, lays down the policies under which management operates. Now there are several differences between administration and management. Let us discuss that. See here, one side basis of distinction is written, administration and management. Now first differences in meaning. First, administration meaning is, it means determination of objectives and policies of an organization. It means preparing, setting the objectives, making the policies of the organization. And what is the meaning of management? It means creating an internal environment for attainment of organizational goals. Management means to give a proper environment to the employees so that they can achieve the goal of the organization. Then second is nature of work. Nature of work, first the work done by administration is to make decision. So it is a decision making function. Now what is the work of management? It is an executive function. Whatever the policies, whatever the decision is taken by the administration, management has to work accordingly. Then third is scope. Administration is a wider term, management is a narrower term. Fourth, level of authority. It is concerned with top level of authority. Decision making, policies framing, all these work done by the top level of authority. And management is concerned with middle and lower level. Management is done by the supervisors, and different department managers. So it is concerned with middle and lower levels. Then fifth, use of the terms. It is generally used in non-business organization. We can say in politics, okay, like a government administration requires. Any NGOs are there, administration requires. Any educational institute, in that also this administration required. So therefore administration is generally used in non-business organization, but management, it is generally used in business organization, like in companies and small enterprises business. So therefore management required, generally used in business organization, and administration used in non-business organization. So these are certain differences between administration and management. I hope you all understood. Thank you.